Start the vlog off.
The real gun.
The real gun?
The real gun.
Oh, bro, don't shoot me, don't shoot me. Yeah. It's a high point. It's a high point Nerf gun. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let me get this day started off right. I didn't even fizz, dude. What are you hiding back there for? Dasher. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. We're blown out. Is there something out there, Dash? What is it? What is it, Dasher? What? What? Bro, you playing a song over here? So today, me and Matt. Bro, you're vlogging with the fancy cam?
Fancy cam? Well, it don't have a screen. How do you use this?
Ow. I don't know, bro. That's what they used in the olden days, you know?
Bluetooth. You just hold your phone to it. New iPhone 10 camera. Camera attachment.
Camera attachment. Yeah, guys, we were gonna head out. Got the Blueberry, Red Bull. Yeah, that's what it is. We got some pit bikes loaded up on the trailer. We gotta take my car off and gotta take my car off and put the truck on the trailer. All right, guys, we're gonna load up and get rolling. Dasher, you're on the bike with us?
You doing okay?
Dasher. Yeah. Yep. All right, guys, we'll see you when we're on the way. We're all loaded up. Matt's getting unstickified. Got the pitters. Got the truck. Ready to roll. You gonna follow me?
Yep.
All right, let's get it.
Bruh, it's a tractor, bro.
Dude. Alright guys, we kind of had to pull over because the truck's like death wobbling like crazy and we're trying to get it on camera. So, there's Matt right there. Bro, wait for the camera. Oh my god, give me the green light. The tractor's going, dude. Oh my gosh. Yeah, get it. He sees us recording. Bro, was he gonna mow the lawn or something, bro? Nice. Bro, what happened? You peed?
I got a male. I need a female.
Dang, bro. Oh, dang.
Not a male guy.
Not a male kind of guy right there. Alright guys, we barely made it to Matt's house. The front right wheel started wobbling real bad, but apparently it's fine. So we're gonna check the oil on the pitties, then head over to Busco. Alright guys, we are now headed to Busco Beach. We got Matt here in the truck with us. We got the bikes in the back, just along with the horses, you know. Always gotta have the horses in the back. Never have them in the front, bro.
Right. Never have them in the front.
I wonder what people think right now, me vlogging while I'm driving. It's probably like, looks like really sketchy. Like, what's this kid doing with a camera in his face, driving down the road? But yeah, we're gonna stop and get some, what do we gotta get? Ice and drinks and
yeah.
Fuel for the truck and the bikes. So
we got about a 45-minute ride.
We got about a 45-minute ride. We're gonna be there in about
4 to 5 minutes.
Oh, 4 to 5 minutes, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna head over there and we'll pick you up when we get all gassed up and drinked up.
Trying to get gassed up, bro.
Trying to get gassed up. Alright, we'll see you in a second. Oh, the bike's gone, dude. The bike's gone.
Sorry, Braden.
Sorry, Braden. But hope you're not watching this. Hey guys, we're overexposed and we're here. Nice. I almost didn't make that. Busco Beach. So did you see what I was doing?
Yeah.
Right here. I don't want to go through the mud.
Kind of must go through this mud.
Right. Huge no mud guy. Look at that. They're camping out, bro. They're camping out. Everybody's camping out today. That we should have done. We got the tent, bro.
We got the tent.
We might need some pillows or something.
The tent, but
Water's down real far. Why would you park right here? Like, it's a worse spot. Oh,
I mean, it's not that there mud patch, so that's what it is.
Yeah.
This is about me.
Guys, we got our spot right on the water. So we got cooking here. I gotta change and put all my stuff on, and nice little shady spot right there. Got the bikes. Got the horses in the back. All right, we're gonna set up, guys, and we'll catch you in a second. All right, guys, going to ride real quick to scope out the place. Matt's gotta wait for his dad to get his helmet. He's got like a plug missing right here, so his visor's flopping up and down, and I've gotta get a GoPro mount. Oh, we got some people coming. But anyways, guys, we'll see you in a couple minutes. We're gonna go scope out the place. As we're back from our initial ride, got some parts for Matt's dad, for Matt's helmet and my GoPro, so we're gonna go switch over to the GoPro right now. Hopefully it's not too bad. Too bad of an angle. We're gonna go ride the track real quick. Probably can't hear me at all. think they're like 4-wheelers and stuff. Oh god. Oh, I just died. Yeah, that's like maybe 6 to 7 to sometimes 10 feet deep on those sides right there. It's insane. Yeah! God. Oh, that hurt so bad.
Good?
Yeah. Woo. Got a piece of poop right there. From where it just shattered. Guys, a little backstory here. Matt drove his 300, like all this water right here was like all flooded out. Like you couldn't do any of this, but like this was an island. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to get these pit bikes on the island. But I mean, it looks like they are getting over there, so we should be able to do it, right, Matt?
Right.
We need our Cenas, dude.
Are you going to the jump first, or?
We'll go to the island first. Bro. Gotta do some water crossing. I think we should make it. I don't know though, it's close. Woo. Man, that's deep, bro. Oh my god, don't. Whoa! Oh, dang. Oh, wuss. Alright guys, what is up? So we just got done riding for a little while because it's crazy hot out here, and I didn't really take the GoPro much out, so we're gonna go get some clips with this camera. We found like a really cool little jump that I'm gonna get a couple of clips of me jumping, then a couple of clips of Matt jumping, just a little Cindy, and then we're gonna show you around like our favorite like places to go here. We kind of got this like route that we like to take, like up by the barn and then down by the power lines all the way to the 50-50 hole. So that's an awesome little track for the piddies, so we're gonna take y'all there and show y'all. All right guys, we're about to do this little double right here. We're gonna try to scrub the jumps, see how it works out. Oh god.
Miller's first day on his new bike. That's hot.
Yeah, look, it's a White Claw. I had to throw it down and send it, boys. White Claw, no loss. Let's get it. Send it, boy. Send it. Yeah. That way, down this thing right here, where he's coming up right now, is like, oh, look at him. You gotta get more speed. You gotta get more speed on that one.
What gear?
A second, probably. Oh, look at this guy. Yeah! Send it! Yeah! Oh my god, I got more air than you!
It's sketchy.
Yeah. It is. Yeah! Yeah! Good job, dude! That was crazy! That was like perfect, bro! Heck yeah! Dude! Woo! Yeah! Holy crap! That's just insane, dude! Oh, slow motion! Oh, did the trick! Oh my god, I almost lost that one. Good job, bro. Heck yeah. Dude, you got air over that one. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh god. That sounded good. Favorite track now. What, the jump?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That's fun right there. I just hit a fat jump, guys. It's right there. I gotta do a GoPro one time. Y'all can't tell that. So we're now gonna rip up the bank trail, then hit the power lines, then hit the one fast part where we saw, we call it Raccoon Trail, bro. That's what we'll call it.
I hear you.
Bro, you got some juice, bro. Alright guys, this is now the end of the day. We got a beautiful sunset right here, if y'all can see it maybe a little bit, I don't know. Anyways guys, we're gonna go get something to eat and then I'll sign off with y'all after. See you in a minute. Alright guys, we are back at the house now, about to watch some footage of us riding, so we're gonna end off the video here. If you like today's video, leave a like, subscribe, tell your friends about it, share it out to the world to see. Matt, you got anything to say?
Probably not for the camera.
I can blur it out. Go ahead.
I don't know. Need to not wear shorts when you're
Yeah, guys, one would say we are chafed. So guys, I'll see y'all later. Have a good day. Keep moving forward.
Yeah.
TJ Hunt. What does Adam say?
I don't know. What's Raiden? Is Raiden saying?
He's like, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. I'm putting that in the mid video. Love you, Brayden.